to the Vaidu Show. Welcome to the Path of Water. Join us on the itinerary that follows the footsteps of the old Mother canal that supplied water to our whole town. Through this route, you will discover the longest navigable river in Europe, Iberian settlements, Roman aqueducts, monumental churches, ancient palaces, and many other interesting elements of our population.
We are at the third point of the waterway, the aqueduct. It is a construction to overcome the obstacle of the ravine of Aigualit used when bringing water from the caves of San Josep to the lower part of the village. It is a late Roman construction, although the monument we now see is a rebuilding made by Muslim students because at some point, and according to historians, possibly as a result of the flood, the original construction collapsed.
Thus, the original structure, which was all made of stone, had 6 semicircular arches, but after the abrupt reconstruction, only 2 of these arches remain at the ends, while the 3 central arches have become pointed. Next to the aqueduct, there is a small aqueduct also of Roman origin that was part of an old mill located close to the aqueduct, of which only the ruins remain. Through this mill, the water, once used to make flour or oil, was directed and reused to irrigate the fields, livestock, and other tasks, continuing the water path to the village.
On the edge of the aqueduct, we find other interesting constructions such as the first light factory in the village and the old grass soda factory. The aqueduct was in use until the 50s when the canalization of the village was complete and was also used as a bridge by pedestrians who wanted to reach the place on St. Joseph.